I am from the smell of coffee in the morning, an early rooster welcoming each day. I am from the taste of mango, mashed green plantains with butter, side of salami, fried cheese, and eggs, if you may wonder. I am from the sound of bachata and merengue. The rhythm of the tambora travels through my body. From head to toes, I feel the beat. I am from the earth on my feet, from unpaved roads. I am from the cooing of pigeons and chirping of birds too. I am from the warm sun in the sky, from the rainy days which leak inside my home. I am from a house made of wood which is sheltered by metal. I am from the trees in El Campo, short ones, tall ones, and broken ones too. I am from pink roses. I am from the smile of my mother and the strength of my father, the immense love for my sister and nieces and nephew too. From the love of my grandparents. I am from the moon above and the shining stars. I am from a big city, tall buildings made of brick, city lights illuminating the night sky. I am from the fall and winter, summer and spring too. I am from my children, my deepest love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is all for them. I am from my achievements and goals. I am from sweet love. After showing you where I've been, what I enjoy, and who I love, you know where I come from. There is no fixed place. I am from where memories are made.